So guys, we have reached a place for a trekking today. So let's start. Okay. Prab, come. Come. Let's start. Guys, we are heading towards our trekking place. Yeah. So Prab is trying to spot a peacock here. He has seen. Yeah. Okay, come back, Prab. We'll find another one. See this. Oh, see the stairs. Okay, yeah. We are going down. See how Prab is trying. Okay, great, man, great. Prab, watch yourself. So here we find a lake. Are you able to see some fishes in the lake? Yeah? No fishes?
Butterflies!
Oh, okay. To be careful in this. Okay. See this. Oh. See this. So here we go. Here we go. See this, guys. Now while going, we found this one also. Yeah. So there we go. Actually, this is morning time and you can see the sunrise. Yeah, shining in between the trees. And we are trekking around here. I'll show you waterfall here. Guys, are you able to see this? Yes. Can you hear the sound of the waterfall? Okay. Yeah. Okay, going towards that. Okay. We'll see what kind of waterfall is that. Okay, so Prab is trying. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. Guys, you can see there is a bridge also. Again, one more bridge we can see here. We'll be going through this place. I spotted two peacocks. You've seen, right? This is the one and this is another one. Yeah, you can see that. Okay. Yeah. So we just spotted a snail here. I'll just show you how the snail looks like. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Where is the snail? Ah, see this, man. This is dead snail, I guess. Or is it live snail? I need to touch it. Rip, can you spot it? Whether is this alive or dead?
Alive.
Okay.
The part is moving.
Ah, yeah. Oh, okay, great. Oh, we found some more people here and kids around. Yeah. What do you saw, Prab? Honeybee. Okay, you are fighting with honeybee, yeah? Track here, but I'm trying to find some other good place. Yeah, this here. We decided to track this. Okay, Prab, let's gain some momentum and start climbing. Okay, here we go for tracking, and we'll start from here. Prab, this way. We have to go. Yeah, follow me.
Are you serious, man?
Yeah, I'm serious. Follow me, okay? Okay, so we are in a fix whether to follow this or that way, because here it's a bit uneven.
What?
This is very easy. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, then start. Okay, we'll follow you, Prab. You start. Finally, Prab, complete this now. Yes, very good. Keep climbing. Oh. You guys are coming now? Okay, great. Finally, here we are. They still didn't make it yet. They're trying hard to make it up. Okay, great, girls. Yeah. Junior is already climbing in another place. Yeah. Okay, I'll also follow him. Let's follow him. Yeah, this time aggressive mode. Yes. And here we go. In a few seconds. Come on, guys. Climb up. Hurry up. Long way to go.
I am going to help them.
No, you need not help them. They will come. So, okay, here we go. This is the scene. So, we are continuing to find another stretch to trek. And you can hear the voices of birds, animals. So, here is a parrot. Seen this rocky area, rocky. These spikes, you can see the spikes on the rocks a little bit. It looks very spiky. Hmm? But oh, in the oasis, now we can see some flowers, red flowers. Guys, you can spot it out. Able to see now? Now? Yeah. Ah. Okay. What else? We are finding another new spot for climbing. For trekking. Again, some more flowers here. Flowers on the trees. Not fruit on the trees. It's like flowers on the trees. No leaves, but only flowers. What happened, Junior? Junior is kicking the ass of the stones. Okay, continue, man, continue.
Yeah.
And the sun is shining highest now. So, guys, this is where we are up to now. Yeah? Like it? Oh, you have spotted a peacock here now. Are you guys? Yeah? Hmm? Slowly, slowly he's going. Here's the peacock. The peacock ran away after he find the Junior. Okay. He's following the peacock. And now little peacocks are also there along with that. Huh? Prab, come! Where are you, Prab? Hey, Prab, are you able to see us? Come back! So here we go. Hey, you're back? Where you went? Oh, great. You were trying to catch the peacock, right? Okay, great, great. Okay, you will find another one. Oh, you can always find another one, and there it is, one more peacock out there. What's that? Maybe snake? I guess we spotted one snake here, right?
Mouse.
Oh, that big mouse. Okay. Squirrel. No problem. What is that?
Falling down.
Oh, yeah, fallen tree. Okay. We don't have space now to walk through. Stop, don't go. Wait, wait. So here tree is fallen, so we are finding a detour. So from here we'll take. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, let's start. Okay. And they're coming to from that side. Where is Prab? Where are you now? Again, we lost Prab somewhere. Oh, he's here. Okay, great man, great. Hey guys, let's follow Prab. Prab, we are following you, okay? These birds, see these? These are called angry birds. Yeah. Can you see these angry birds? Wait, Prab. Wait for me, okay? Are you okay? Some spider webs. Okay, let's go. This is more dangerous. Here, cactus also. You can see the cactus here.
Yes.
See this long grown cactus, very dry and partially green. Yeah. Okay. Here we lost the girls. Hey girls, where are you? Come on, hurry up. We can't see you at all. No problem. We'll continue, okay? And here you both were lag behind. Now which route to follow? Here one route we have from here, and another way is this one. And if we are continuing the same path, here we can go. So now we need to choose which one to choose, and we will be concluding this trekking for today now after this. And okay guys, which one to follow, tell me. Here some more cactus we found. You can see these are all cactus, and here also cactus. Okay, here we go. Robbie's already here. Oh, this looks nice. And here, see this. Wow. And this is again one route from where it is going, and one route here, which we don't know. We won't be driving into this. These are the drive paths, but we are not following this. Full prep, or you will fall down and you will roll down. Okay, fine. Just be careful. All that's all I want. Okay. Jump! Yes! And here's some more colorful flowers here. Yeah. Okay. This is the dungeon area. This is the dungeon area. Yeah guys, where are you? Come on, hurry up. Yeah, we spotted one more peacock here. Rob, we need to see guys, see that peacock. Huh. See, here we're going now. Oh. I struck into the bushes. Tell me. So actually here we are. Let's see how this is the height and this is the depth. And we are in the middle. Walking down. So we are planning to conclude this here only, and we'll be going back. Planning to go back from here towards the parking area where we parked. I don't know. Even we forgot where we parked. Actually, we need to find out some way out from here. From where we came. That was Lily Pond actually. Yeah. Okay guys, so we'll be going back from here. So hope you like this, how we covered the woods and shown a little bit tracking and some animals, plants, cactuses, cactus, cactus, and trees with flowers. And here one again. So keep watching us. Rob, say bye to everyone. Bye. Bye. Yes.
Bye.
Hey.